After the OnePlus dropped a really interesting and different teaser, it just confirmed that the OnePlus 13T is going to be released this month and includes some changes like the OLED slider. But many trusted leakers pointed many game-changer leaks that could make this 13T one of the best phones OnePlus ever made. The OnePlus 13T is built for fans of the smaller phones. With a 6.31-inch flat AMOLED display, it's more compact than the 6.82-inch OnePlus 13. It would feature a sleek metal frame, glass back, and flat edges, giving serious flagship vibes. Leaks say it's an 185-gram smartphone. It's surprisingly light, even with a massive battery inside. That we will take a look. Expect a 1.5K AMOLED panel, a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, and those beautiful slim bezels with a punch-hole selfie cam. Under the hood, many strong leaks which are almost confirmed point at Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite, the same beast powering the OnePlus 13. This compact phone scored over 3 million on AnTuTu benchmarks. That's top-tier performance across CPU, GPU, memory, and UX. It's backed by up to 16GB of LPDDR5 XRAM and 512GB of UFS 4.2 storage. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or editing on the go, this phone would handle it all with ease. Here is where it gets wild. The OnePlus 13T is going to pack a 6200 mAh Glacier battery with CATL cooling tech. It stays cool, lasts long, and charges fast with 80-watt fast charging. And for the gamers out there, it features bypass power supply tech, so you can play while plugged in without heating up your battery. And for the cameras, it's apparently going to feature a 50-megapixel main sensor with OIS for crisp, clear shots, and a 50-megapixel telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom, perfect for portraits. Up front, there is a punch-hole selfie cam, though details are still under wraps. And yes, it's missing an ultra-wide lens, which might be a letdown for some. The OnePlus 13T is almost guaranteed to run on Android 15 with ColorOS 15. Bringing a clean UI experience with a smart AI enhancement to keep things fast and efficient. And check this out, it replaces the classic OLED slider with a quick key button on the left side. You can still switch between mute, vibrate, and ring, but now it's customizable with more functionality. Plus, expect a blazing fast ultrasonic fingerprint scanner under the display. While pricing has not been confirmed yet, OnePlus is positioning the 13T as a premium mid-range device, offering flagship performance without breaking the bank. It's set to launch in April 2025 in China, with an India release expected by May or June. So guys, let me know your thoughts about this phone in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.